Here at Accurate Outdoor Solutions and More, we specialize in bringing your outdoor living to life. We can help with the design build of many facets of your outdoor living, from outdoor kitchens, patio decks, and pergolas, and much more.
We're located right here on Bonita Beach Road in Bonita Springs. We have over 5,000 feet of indoor showroom as well as outdoor showroom. You'll see all top leading manufacturers, natural stone, marbles, your travertines. We're the leading dealer in porcelain pavers, which most people don't even know you can do in driveways. You'll be seeing a lot of that on our social media. Gil will tell you where we're on social media, Gil.
You can follow us on all social media locations: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and more.
So we're excited to be part of this event. Thanks very much.